Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a behavior pack. This is required because add-ons run as behavior packs. Create a behavior pack folder and a manifest. JSON with unique UIDs. This registers the pack to the game. Once done, make subfolders, items and entities if you plan to attach effects to an item or mob. Make sure to enable developer resources or experimental gameplay on your test world so the engine accepts custom components. This step is why the pack will load and apply effects. Next, create the item JSON that gives night vision. Add a component like Minecraft, Entity Effect, or Minecraft. Use on and set the effect ID to night vision, duration to the number of seconds you want, and amplifier to 0. This defines how the effect behaves. Once the item is defined, add a simple recipe or place the item in creative inventory so you can access it quickly. Make sure the namespace matches the manifest. This is why the game links your JSON definitions to the actual in-game item. Finally, enable the behavior pack in your world settings and restart the world. This loads your add-on. Give yourself the custom item or run a command to trigger the effect so you can observe night vision working. If it doesn't apply, first confirm the manifest UIDs and pack version are correct, the namespace matches file paths, and experimental gameplay is on. These common mistakes block behavior packs. If syntax errors persist, validate JSON with a linter. Fixing a single comma often resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.